Hi everyone, this is Arunava Ghosh, and I just completed my 2 days knife defense workshop in Shield Self Defense Academy, and my experience was great. And few points I wish to share with you all. First of all, knife defense before taking this workshop, I was with knife is a thing which scares actually. It can cut through deep, and it is very easy to carry, easy to hide, and a common attacker or some criminals, they can use this very conveniently as per they need, and this can happen to most of us if it happens. So first of all, it's very much scary. It's small, and it's close quarter also, so very much cautious. We need to be very much cautious, and after taking the class, I'm very much confident that my survival chances under such situations has been increased a lot, and specifically people who are interested in self-defense, as well as I would highly recommend to my loved ones and people I care about to sign up for this one, because this is the most relevant, realistic, and we don't need to be an expert. We just need to be little bit disciplined, and we need to take the training seriously and practice the basic things, simple skills and techniques. That's it. Overall fitness wise also, anyone can do this, and anyone can grasp this knowledge very quickly, like I did from Akash sir, who is very much expert and professional in this field, and helped me a lot to get going. And one more thing which I want to recommend is this is very much important, because again, knife is very critical and very harmful. It's simple thing, it can cut, it can get us bloody, and it may not appear very big or very lethal, but it actually is, and commonly, as it is commonly used, so it's much more needed to be prepared with this. Stakes, sword, everything is there, but those are not always applicable in a street fight. So thank you all once again, thanking Akash sir and the instructors in Shield Self Defense Academy, and bye, take care.